Ananta has mentioned, this is damage control. The PAHH is preventive control. If it goes for high pressure, it will prevent it so that there is no alopecia. Yes. Okay. So now coming back, I will share my screen now. Okay.
This PLL we have done for other also. No?
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Yeah. For a study we have done also, no? For MPS and MP21. So guys, I will again share my screen. So this is what we have discussed. This PT is sitting just upstream of this SDV. The moment if there is something goes wrong or here or here, if something happens here, it will not help you. But if something goes out downstream of this SDV, this can prevent the more spillage or escalation. So what we have done, we have pre-populated the seat. So PALL 13348080910. This will sense low pressure. Low pressure downstream of.
Even upstream, it will be
upstream, but it will not help. I am worried about downstream of SDV.
Yes.
There is leakage.
Yes.
Right, in the pipeline, pressure in the pipeline, in the pipe. I will not put downstream because this can go anywhere.
Yes. Correct.
Upstream, and downstream of SDV. What is SDV number? SDV 133403. SDV 1334-03. Correct? So potential continuous leakage. If this does not work, so what will happen? Potential continuous leakage of the oil, and this can escalate the fire and emergency scenario. Here the chairman has considered only 3 because this is unmanned area. Previously we were talking about this is in the plant and there will be people. If there will be people, in case of LOPC, there is a 5, means more than 1 fatality. But here we are considering, Ananta, we are considering 3. You want to go for 5? Because yes, severity is 3. Why 3? Because earlier we considered more than 1 fatality or 1 public fatality. So now we are going outside the battery limit of our plant.
Yes.
But so it can have effect to the public.
Add something. We have just a small portion within that facility within the BAB CDS, which is above ground. Yes, above ground. But then the whole pipeline is under street and the underground.
Okay, then I will take consideration here. I will put a remark. Silting. SIL team has reviewed